So today, we're going to be showing you guys a meme. Here you go. Here you guys go. Right, Dad?
Kenny, you didn't finish your chicken nuggets and the fries.
And as you guys see, I collect the controller.
Huh?
I collect the controller. And Daddy, and welcome back to this